benefits of doing an apprenticeship are that you learn on the job and you keep embedding all the skills you've learnt at a professional level.
College gives me the opportunity to learn the skills, and then my salon side of things gives me the opportunity to learn how to communicate with the clients properly.
I've got a lot more confidence now than I did when I first started, speaking to people.
You never have any weaknesses in what you've learnt, and this enables you to do extra training courses at the salon with other pieces of equipment once you've achieved competency with the basics here.
Most of the tutors that we have all worked in the business for years, so they've all experienced what we're going through.
I've been teaching apprentices here at Macclesfield College for, I would say, getting on for 12 years probably since we've been doing it here. You are paid to be studying, whereas if you did a full-time course, you wouldn't have any income at all.
Obviously treatments cost money and the equipment costs money, so it's doing the best treatment for the client and using the best products you can that also work for them, but also making money to sustain the business, to put more money back into the business.
The salons here are a real working environment, and we have a range of equipment that they need to have to fulfil all their assessments. All the assessments are done here at the college, and they're supported throughout with practical and theory in readiness for their exams at the end of the course. Apart from the practical skills that they learn how to support the client completely with all aspects of their life. So it is a therapy side of them, because a lot of the time the clients come to them with other issues.
Everything is about the client, and I think that's what really helps being in an industry, is getting to know your clients and that interaction. A big part of beauty therapy is the therapy side of things and speaking and the customer-based focus. I think doing an apprenticeship allows me to explore that side as well as learning the skills.
They can move on from being a therapist in the first place, and then they can go on to be a manageress, and eventually, if they wanted to, they could be a salon owner. To see them progress is so rewarding, and watching them blossom from coming in at young people who really have got no experience and don't know, won't say boo to a goose, to see the confidence grow so they can deal with clients and just embrace the whole industry.